Hello everyone. Back again at Secret Paradise. This time we will talk about electricity poles, understanding, usefulness, advantages and disadvantages. A utility pole is a pole that supports utility network cables, such as power lines, telephones, telecommunications, street lighting, and so on. Depending on what is supported, a utility pole can be named after a power pole, telephone pole, lamp post, and such. In the electrical world, utility poles become smaller branches of extra high voltage air lines to deliver voltage to electrical energy users in areas in need. A power pole is a material made of steel iron that is in the form of a round length size. Concrete electricity poles are made of cement and mixed with cement and added with small iron as the bone. Now many use concrete poles using RTC cables that are safer than installation networks. The function of this electricity pole is one of the main components of the construction of the distribution of air ducts that support electricity and equipment. Connect cables between cables so that they can get to areas that need electricity coverage. To channel the cable and lift the cable to a high place so as not to disturb the passing vehicle. As a power transformer converts medium voltage to low voltage. As a safety refiner, if there is a disturbance in the transformer, location of the disturbance in the transformer so that the equipment is not damaged. As a seal for the side of the voltage. Used as insulation of electrical voltage between wire and pole. The use of this power pole must be adjusted to the situation and conditions. Its installation is easier to compare with the underground cable delivery system. Network maintenance or maintenance is easier compared to underground cable systems. The cost of installing electricity poles is relatively cheap. The location of the disturbance can be directly detected. It is easy to expand the network. Parts, sections of poles and supports. Support pole. A support pole is a pole that is installed on a straight power line and is useful for supporting transmission wire and equipment. The style suffered is the heavy style of the wire and its equipment. This support pole is in the network path and is used by a post pin insulator holder. The height of these support poles varies, ranging in size from 11 meters to 15 meters in height. With pole strength ranging from 200 to 1200 and can be made of iron or concrete. Final or preliminary pole. This final or initial pole is a pole installed at the beginning or end of the withdrawal of the network transmitting wire, where the force of the wire pull works against this pole from one direction. Branching pole. A branching pole is a pole with traversing equipment and insulators to make tissue branching. These branching poles are usually installed at crossroads. Corner pole. The corner pole is in the position of the bend or turn of the network path and in order to remain perpendicular and assisted by support. Stiffening pole. A stretching pole is a pole mounted on a perpendicular power line. Usually the stretching pole is installed for every 10 support poles. The tensile force of this wire works against the pole from two opposite directions. This pin pole serves as a conductor by using a pull-off span or insulator. That's all about the video this time. Thanks for watching the Secret Paradise channel. See you.
Usefulness.